Hello everyone, take a container and then we have to draw peacock over it like this. So make the outlines as shown in the video and draw the feathers of it, make some patterns like this, and after that draw their lines. Now using a knife, cut it out like this. Give a finishing touch and cut it carefully as shown in the video. So after cutting it, we'll be removing the extra part. Make some holes on it using a heating object like this. So now after cutting it out, fill it with the mud or anything and your flower pot is ready. Next, we'll be taking in the same manner, we'll be taking the white color empty container and draw a peacock over it like this. So draw the feathers, draw the patterns and lines, and then cut it with the help of a knife. So cut it and remove the extra parts as shown in the video. Make the feather patterns over it, cut it like this. Now after that, you have to fill the mud or the sand and flower some plants like this, and it's done. Next, take a red container and then we have to draw the lines like this. Now we have to cut the extra parts from it like this. Remove the parts from the sides of it like this in the same manner, and then we'll be drawing the lines. Cut and remove the extra part like this, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a white container, make a kitty over it like this. Make the eyes and the tail of the kitty like this. Make the patterns over its body and then draw the lines over it. Color it as per your choice, make different patterns, and then you have to cut it out like this with the knife. After cutting it, you can make a flower pot or decorate it, and it's almost ready. I hope you liked it. You will get this kitty very beautifully. You can make some other animals too in the place of kitty like this. In the same manner, decorate it at your home, plant some flowers over it, and it's done. Next, take a white empty container and then make a swan using it. So draw the swan over it like this with the black marker. Now make its beak, make its eyes, and after that make its body like this. Draw the lines over it and then you have to cut it like this with the help of a knife. Now after cutting it, you can decorate it by putting some colors as well. So cut it very carefully. Now plant some flowers over it, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking an empty container like this and then we'll be cutting it like this. So first we're drawing the blue color lines over it with the marker. Draw the lines carefully. Now make the patterns over it and then cut it with the sharp object like this. Now after that, fill the plants on it and your flower pot is ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to color it as per your choice. Thanks for watching our video.